lighting without wiring using optical fiber. For our latest product, a fully integrated railroad crossing and block detection system. So we've opened the kit. Here are the instructions. Let's take them aside for the moment. A foam covering and another piece. And here we have it. So there is the Lamplighter DFL unit there. That is the one that controls everything. And next to it we have the railroad crossings. These are HO ones. They could also be N, and very soon O scale. And those connect into the top here, what are called the chimneys, fiber chimneys. Right, next we want to have the side-on detectors. Here are the side-on detectors. They are easily mounted, and in fact what we provide is a kit for that, and the kit contains both a box to go over it, which looks like an electrical box, as well as components for mounting the detectors underneath, the layout, and finally we have the crossing bell. And the crossing bell is packaged with its wires as well. So all of those wires just connect in to the DFL unit. And of course a power supply, which is optional. You may buy it with a power supply, or we provide a connector to go onto your bus on the railway line. So there we have it. That's the complete integrated Lamplighter DFL kit. So here's the basic unit. It is the DFL controller. And here are what we call the fiber chimneys, both for N scale as well as HO. So we take one of the fibers and insert that into one of the holes there of the chimney. The other fiber, I'm going to insert that into the other side. And now we'd have the railroad crossing, one of the railroad crossings, connected in. So let's now talk about the different products that we could put into this. We could use, for example, N-scale railroad crossing. We could take that and use instead a block signal. This is a dwarf one, or a tall block signal. So there are 4 different products that can be used with this DFL unit. This layout, we now have the Lamplighter DFL detector. It's wired up both for the detector as well as for the bell. So there is my detector, and I can show you that. There it is. That's a side-on detector, and all we have is just this cover. You can go on top of it. And here is the crossing bell. And let's activate it. So we bring a train across in front of the detector. It starts flashing, and we have the bell as well. And just in case you're interested where we'd have the bell, I've just hidden it under a house there, just to get it out of the way, but it still sounds very good. So there we have it. The DFL crossing kit, very simple to implement and put onto your layout. The jumper that takes it from being a railroad crossing system to a block detection system. We just move the jumpers across, and it really therefore is 2 complete different products in one package. So here we have the detector. Of course, there's the block signal. As the train goes past the detector, bingo.
Trainz.com, making dreams come true, one train at a time.